Hey, thanks for joining me. One of the things I love to do with pinhole cameras is to shoot pictures of architecture. So today we're out at a park that has some really interesting architecture I think you're going to like. So today we're shooting pictures of gnome homes. Now this is the first house I came to. I knocked on the door but nobody answered, so we're going to go ahead and get started taking pictures. I don't think anyone will mind. It's cloudy bright out. Exposure times are running about 11 seconds using Ilford FP4 Plus. The camera has an aperture of 140 and a focal length of 28 millimeters on 120 film. Now I set my camera down and didn't even get a picture of the setup because I got distracted by this little guy. Sorry fella, don't have anything for you. But here's a picture of the house that I was setting up on. It's the dentist's office. I love these two houses, the one that leans on the left. Whoever built these spent a lot of time designing them and building them. They're all so cute. Now, this is another one of my favorites. I love the mushroom on the door. And you'll notice the shadow of my camera in the picture. I didn't even notice that. I was working real hard on keeping myself out of the picture of the shadow and missed that. Now, I didn't have a tripod tall enough to take this whole thing, so I used my tabletop to just take a picture of the top of it. And here's the results of that. Now, this is one of my favorite houses. I love the green door and the green decorative window. This really makes me want to think about coming back with color film or the digital camera and shooting these in color. I think that'd be really cute. And I love these townhouses. Again, whoever designed these just had a lot of imagination, and they've got them placed all over the park, so it makes it really fun to walk around and find them all. Now this is the last one. It's on a rocky outcrop near the stream, and again, a really cute design. These are all so fun to look at and so fun to take pictures of, and each one is unique, and there's just so many of them. Wow, it was really windy out there today. I don't know how much of the footage that I shot I'll be able to use. Probably just use the stills. You'll have seen that by now, of course. The camera I'm using today is my Olympus wide pinhole camera that I've talked about in a previous video. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to see that. Shooting on Ilford FP4 Plus today. That's a really great film for pinhole photography. It's one of my favorites. There's a lot of gnome homes out here. I probably only took pictures of a third of them. There's just a ton of them out here, and they're really beautiful and colorful, and the backgrounds are colorful with all the flowers. So I think maybe a future project I'm going to come out with a digital camera and a really wide angle lens. I've got a 8mm lens on my Olympus Micro Four Thirds cameras. Take some pictures of them with that. I think that'd be a fun project for a future video. Well, if you have any thoughts or questions, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment. I really appreciate you watching. If you would, please do like and subscribe on the channel to help it grow. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks for watching.